Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good
also
morning,
I
ma'am.
cannot see you on your board.
Kashvi pin on my board screen. Children, my board is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Kashvi, please check your network issue, bacha.
Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am,
leaving and joining again.
Yeah, leave and rejoin. Okay.
when we pin you na, then we can only see you. Otherwise, it is blur.
Yes.
Otherwise,
So now again today also yesterday we have already started the column method of multiplication. What we
Ma'am,
have
now
done
I
yesterday,
can see you
students?
on your board.
Thank you. So what we have done yesterday?
Column method.
column
Column
method
method
of
of multiplication.
multiplication.
Column
So
method.
we do practice today also we will do the column method of multiplication. Am I
Ma'am,
audible to you all students?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
yes. Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Book.
So again take out the new page, write the topic, column method of multiplication. Okay. So now students, I will ask the digits from you. You have to give me the digits and we will multiply with the common column method of multiplication. Aradhya, give me any two-digit number.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 37
37. Very good. Next,
multiplied by
Rajvi Lahoti. Bas, okay, that's it. Aradhya, I will move to the next child now. Rajvi Lahoti, you are not at your place. Anne, Anne, give me any other two-digit number.
Ma'am, 45.
45. So these are the two-digit number. We got it and we need to multiply it with the column method now. Do along with me, students. Write it in your notebooks. So first, Jigar Singh, what we will do first? Jigar Singh, what is the first step? Anna, mute your mic, bacha. Jigar Singh, are you there at your place?
Ma'am, can I say?
He is not at his place. Yes, Tej Kumar, what was the first step we will do?
Ma'am, first we will make a bracket. 30 plus 7.
Bracket is not in the rule. That is according to your facility.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
the first rule is to expand this number. What is
Ma'am,
the
30
first rule?
plus 7.
To
30 plus
expand
7.
these both the groups.
30
30
plus 7 and
plus
40
7.
plus 5.
Yeah, and the another is 40 plus 5. So Manya, how many columns we will make?
ma'am, we will make 3 columns.
3 columns.
Plus one
Because there are
extra.
2 digits, so we make 1 column extra, right?
Yes.
So we make 3 columns. Is my board visible till the last?
Yes, ma'am.
So we make 3 columns. And how many rows, Rehan Dobaria, how many rows we will make?
3.
3 rows.
And
One.
ma'am, we have to write this also.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have
Write
to
along
write
with
this sum.
me. Do it in the notebook. So now it is your choice whether you want to write this group as the column wise or this group as the column wise. This is your choice. But when you will find that if you are writing 30 here, 7 here, 40 here, and the 5 here. Always remember the friend of 30 will always go with 30 and the friend of 40 will always go with the 40. You cannot interchange their friends. Am I clear to you all? Now, if you are writing 30 and 7 here and 40 and 5 here, That is also okay. And if you are writing 40 and 5 here in the column and 30 and 7 in the row, then also okay. Maybe your box's answer will come different, but when you add them, your answer will come same. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Show me thumbs up if you all are clear.
Ma'am, please.
Yes, Vedant. Someone is saying, ma'am. Yes, Moksha.
Ma'am, please don't rub it because my book.
No, I'm not erasing. I'm still explaining.
Ma'am, because my book was finished, so I was taking the new.
Ma'am, we can find the answer.
Yeah, you can find your answer by your own and complete it now.
Ma'am,
Start completing. Yes, Danya. Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, your screen is a little bit blurred.
Children, my screen is blurred.
No, ma'am.
But Danya, better pin on my board screen. It happens sometimes because of the network problem. Now just check. Coming? Okay. So now Dhyan Patel will tell me. Dhyan Patel, to fill these 4 boxes. So first to fill this first box, which 2 numbers we will multiply and get the answer?
We have to multiply 30 multiply 7.
No, my dear. This multiply by this number first and write it in this box.
I cannot understand. Can you say it again?
These 2 numbers first multiply and then you write it here. So what is it? It's coming 4 3s are 12.
12
2
plus
0
2 0 12.
will come. Yes, Niva. Suchi Mali is having a habit of joining the class every day late. Suchi Mali, Nishwa. I don't know how they will prepare them now. Students, now I am asking from Niva. Niva, you tell me how to fill this box now. Niva, how to fill this box?
Yes.
Take row and take column and multiply and write.
7 multiplied by 5.
My dear, this row, this column will come the answer here.
Can I
Someone mic is on, Suchi, mute your mic please. Yes, Niva. Niva, I'm asking from you, bacha. Others
We
are
have to
also.
multiply 7 and 5.
How 7 and then 7 and 5? Then this box will be filled, not this box. Row
Sorry,
with the
ma'am,
column.
7 and 40.
7 and 40, then this box will be filled. I
7
am
and
asking this
30.
box.
Oh, 7 and 30. Ma'am, can I say?
7. How 7 and 30, bacha? One
7
row
and
and one
12.
column.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Can I, when we do 7, 40 means 1 minute.
You are talking about that you are changing the rows and column digits.
No, 7 fours are is 28 and 1 0. When we write 1200, ma'am, when we write it down, 1200 is written. Right in the second block means down block. Yes. There we write 280. So it will
Yes.
be right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Just take a note that one row and the another column you are taking. Maybe you are after this 1200 you are doing this, then also right. But after 12 I am doing this, then also right. Because I want to fill this row first and then I will come to this row.
Hello,
But
ma'am.
if you are doing this this first and then you are doing second this and the third this and fourth this, then also it is right.
Hello, ma'am, but I have taken 30 and 7 in the upper row.
So as you know that in the initial stage only I explained, if you change the groups, either writing this group here or this group here, maybe your box answer will come different. But when you do the total, your answer will come same. So don't match it with the board answer. Okay. So now here, Vishrut, to fill this box, which two numbers I will multiply and write the answer here?
Ma'am, 30 or 7, which?
30 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, equals to 150.
Yes, because this row will multiply with this column and then this box will be filled. It's 150. Next, Nishwa. Nishwa, I want to fill this box. Tell me how I will write the answer.
Yes, we do 7 multiply 40.
Very good. Excellent. What will be the answer? 7 multiplied by 40?
28.
28, and we write the 0 at the back. It's
Yes.
280. Got it? Danya, next, one more box is we still pending to fill. What we will write here in this box?
Ma'am, we will multiply 7 multiplied by 30.
Like,
The answer will be 210.
Ma'am, may I try? Yes. Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, your mic is off.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
oh, sorry.
May I try, Hanya?
Yes, please, Danya.
Can
I say,
ma'am?
Hanya?
Mhm.
7 multiplied by 5, 35.
Very good.
Ma'am, the answer is 100.
Students, many of you are still confused in the column method of multiplication. You are not clear that which digit will multiply by which digit. Few of them are clear, few of them are still not clear. Yes, Aradhya, put it down, bacha. The first thing is take a first row, multiply it with the first column. Then take a first row and multiply it with the second column and write the answer here. Got it? Then take a second row and first column and fill this box. Take the second row and second column and fill this box. It's very, very easy. Got it, everyone? Now your answer, 4 boxes which you have filled is 1200, 150, 280 and 35. So students, please add it and tell me what is the answer coming.
Ma'am, the answer is 1665.
Write it in the chat box because Moksh never follow the class rule. Write it in the chat box, bacha. Moksh, you shouting in the class, bacha. Write in the chat box, I can check. Vedant has written, let me check. Your answer is coming 1665. So let me also add what it is coming. Please check it once again. Check it once again, students. 1200 plus 150 plus 285 plus 35.
Ma'am,
My
it's
answer is
280
coming.
only.
280.
Ma'am,
It is 280.
It's only
Okay.
280.
Yes. So 1200 plus 150 plus 280 plus 35. Yeah, then answer is right. 1665. Write the answer here. So can I erase the board now? I hope everyone has completed because you all
Yes,
are doing
ma'am.
along with me. Yes? Very good, Vihan Dobaria. Many of you have given me the answer. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I'll move to the next.
665 was the right answer.
Yes, 1665 is the right answer. Now, I'm going to erase this top thing. Manya, give me any two-digit number. Any three-digit number.
Yes, ma'am. Man. 38. Sorry. 45. 46.
Three-digit
46.
number.
3 digit. 465.
Bus. That's it. I will ask to the other child now. Uh, Divit. Divit, give
Yes,
me
ma'am.
any three-digit number.
345.
So now it's a very big number. Three-digit this side, three-digit this side. Multiplicand and multiplier, both the digits having three digits, both the sides. Start multiplying it with the column method, students. And I will write the answer in the chat box. Fast.
Ma'am, we have to make a 3 rows and 3 column only.
You know, no? One extra.
Okay.
So first step, who will tell me? The Bhavya Sagar. What is the first step?
Ma'am, can I see? Ma'am, first we will write 400 plus 60 plus 5.
Students, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Bhavya is correct.
Jigar Singh, what is the next now?
Yes, ma'am. 300 plus 40 plus 5.
After expanding the number, what is the next step, students? Grant, what is the next step after expanding the number?
Making column.
Making rows and columns. Rajveer Nikhare. Rajveer, stop playing. Now tell me how many columns I will make for this sum. Rajveer. But a lot of voices coming. Mute yourself and write in the chat box. How is it possible, बच्चा, for you to sit in a crowded place? अब इतनी आवाज पीछे से आ रही है. So are you able to concentrate in your class? Are you able to concentrate? You're writing six rows and 6 columns we will make here.
Ma'am, 4
You are
columns and
total giving the
4
answer of
rows.
rows and columns. I am asking how many columns we will make.
4.
Vihan Dobaria, how many columns we will make?
We will make for 4 by 4.
Yes.
4.
So 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And
4
4
rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember, rows are sleeping, columns are standing. Rows are sleeping, columns are standing. I'm again repeating, rows are sleeping, columns are standing. So 4 columns, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, now either you write this group in the column or this group in the rows. It depends on you what you want to write. Either you can write
Ma'am, now how we have to do?
Now please fill this fast.
Ma'am, I have filled it.
You did it, completed? Very fast, Aradhya. Show your notebook to us.
How to do this one? I don't.
How to do this one? So can you tell me how to write the numbers first here in the rows and columns?
Yes, ma'am.
Please explain us. Mic is
Ma'am,
mute.
the answer
The
of
voice is
the
not coming.
ma'am, answer of the 300 multiplied by 400 is 1 lakh.
I don't, ma'am. I don't
It
know how
will
to
come
do
big
this
answer. It
one.
will come. So you need to do it with the method first, Moksh. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is coming 1,20,000.
Your answer is done?
No, ma'am.
Or you did it on calculator or somewhere?
No, ma'am. I am multiplying 300 multiplied by 4.
So it can come in the lakhs also. Yes, Aradhya, please continue.
I don't know how to do this
You
one.
don't know how to write the numbers also still.
I know, but I don't know how to do this.
Take this group, arrange them in the columns. 465. Take this group, arrange them in the rows. 345. Got it, Aradhya? Till here you are clear? Now, take one row, take one column and fill this box. 4 threes are 12, 2 zeros of 400 and 2 zeros of 300. This answer will come. 1,20,000. 300 multiplied by 60. Niva, what will be the answer? How to fill this box? Please tell me. Viva.
Ma'am, I can't understand it.
My dear, it is very easy, no? They take the row and take the column and fill this. Take the row and take the column and fill this. Go to the next row.
Ma'am, what is the next?
It will come with the practice also, bacha. Do practice at home also. Don't think 2 sums we have done in the class and it's sufficient for you. Ma'am, do the practice of the new concepts. And this is, I think, not a new. This you have learned in the grade 3 also. Yes or no, students? The column method.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have
Was not
learned
there the column method in your next grade 3?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If it is not
Yes, ma'am, we have
also,
done.
please look here. 300 multiplied by 60. 6 threes are 18. 1 zero of 60. 2 zeros of 300. 300 multiplied by 5. So 5 threes are 15 plus 2 zeros of 300. You can keep on checking along with me how I am solving this. Now this 40, you can write here also 40 multiplied by 400. This multiply by this and then solve. So that it will be clear for you कि answer कहाँ से आया. Now 40 multiplied by 60. And write the answer in the after multiplication here.
Ma'am.
And write here.
Then we have to do 440 by 400. 40 by 40
Yes, this
into
40 will multiply by this 400 by this 60 by this 5.
And you did it for explain for all
Suchi, wait, bacha. Vedant, can you please write it in the chat box because it's not coming clearly to me.
Okay, ma'am. You have done for this explanation.
Yeah, I have written this just for your explanation. You can also write so that you will not get confused. Yes, Suchi. What are you asking, bacha?
Ma'am, we can do sum.
You can do?
Sum.
Yes, you have to do this sum.
Ma'am.
Vedant, you have written your query in the chat box?
So, ma'am, Tej Kumar said my query.
Your query solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now this 5 multiply by 400, 5 again multiply by 60, and this 5 multiply by 5. You can write it for your own convenience, this also. And multiply it and find the answer and fill these boxes and add these boxes. Giving you
ma'am,
5 minutes time, solve it and can ask from any of the child.
ma'am, 4 5
Yes,
is 20, so we have to add
ma'am.
41 zero or not.
Where?
We, there is 40 multiplied by 20, so it is 20, so we have
Someone
to
else,
add
my
one zero.
Kashvi, mute yourself, please.
Sorry, ma'am.
Wait, Tej Kumar, wait. Now speak.
Ma'am, 40 4 multiplied by 5, it is 20. So we have to add 1 zero, 40 or not.
Yes, you have to write. Wait a minute. Let me put the headphone. Yes, now say. You are asking this thing, right? 40 multiplied by 400. You are asking
No,
this.
ma'am. Last one. In
So, hmm.
4 and 40 multiplied by 5. So there we have to write 20 or 200.
क्या होता है 40 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इज 20 होगा कि 200 होगा बच्चा?
Ma'am, 4 5 is 20. So we have to add 0.
Zero. हाँ. Zero is the easy method which is giving you the answer directly. पर जब अगर आप 40 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 करके देखोगे it is 200 only. 5 zeros are 0 and 5 fours are 20. But is the easy method is when the number is having a 0, we just multiply the number with the number. Just as 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 and add the 0 at the back, which is of 40.
Okay.
This is the easy method. But don't skip it. उसको छोड़ना तो नहीं है ना?
Yes.
Same here, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 1 0 of this 4 and 2 0 of this 400. So 3 0 total. Got it, Dania? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Show me thumbs up if you all are clear till here. Niva, Viva, you are clear now, Viva? Yes. Better write the numbers, which numbers you are multiplying. Then you will be clear. 40 multiplied by 60. So 6 fours are 24 and 1 0 of 40 and 1 0 of 60. 40 multiplied by 5. So 5 fours are 20 and 1 0 of 40. It's 200.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
at my tuition, my teacher teach me one more trick also.
There are many tricks in the
So I can use that also, na?
in the column method she had explained you.
Yes,
You can, but it should be the column method only.
it's their column method.
Yeah, you can do that also. See, for calculations, there in mathematics there are several methods of for the calculations, right? You can apply, but if we are doing with a specific method, if we are doing specifically the column method, so you need to apply the column method only, not the traditional method. So now if we do here, Dania will tell me. Nania, what will come in this box? I have already written the numbers also.
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So there are two zeros of 400 and 1 zero of 20. So it will be
3 zeros.
3 zeros.
Vishrut, fill this box. Vishrut, please fill this box, bacha. And who will tell me the final answer? Please add it fast and tell me the final what is the
Ma'am,
answer.
Manya. Ma'am,
Done?
I can try.
Manya, done?
Ma'am, take.
Okay, first.
Ma'am, I
Raise
can
your
write in chat.
Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand.
Ma'am, I can write in chat box.
Right. Tej Kumar, Moksh, Nishwa, Manya, write it in the chat box. And lower down your hands. Write it in the chat box. Nishwa, lower down your hands, please. Okay, Tej Kumar has given 100,000, 10,000 lakh. 1,60,000. Let me read. 1,60,425. Let me also check what is the answer is coming.
Ma'am, first my answer was that only, but now it is coming another 1,79,400.
Check, bacha, check then. Check. Vishnu, Tej Kumar answer is right. Nishwa is right. Or Manya is right. The answer is 1,60,425 is the answer.
Ma'am, first my answer was that.
So you please check where you have done the mistakes, bacha. Please check and do it again.
Ma'am, I was
First my
confusing.
answer was 1,60,425 only.
Now,
But then first I means.
Ane, good. So Moksh, listen, bacha. First your answer was right. Now it is wrong. So you check your answer and correct it. Okay.
Ma'am, I was confusing in plusing.
Now,
Ma'am, now I am clear.
okay. Vedant, can you tell me what we have to write here in this box?
Ma'am, in this box we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write 300.
Ma'am, may I say?
No one will say, may I say, I know from which child I need to ask.
Ma'am, 300 is the right answer.
Yeah, 300 is the right answer. Next is Dhyan Patel. What will come here?
25.
Hmm. These numbers I have written just for your explanation. If you want to write, you can write. If you want to skip, you can skip. But this I have written to explain you because earlier you all were confused which numbers we need to multiply. Vihan Dobaria writes. Everyone completed this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. One more sum I'm giving you. And children, today is your work is please open the page number 67 of your textbook. Page number 67. I am going to post this in the classroom as well also. Page number 67. This is the first question group is given. Sums are from A to H in this. You can see it's written first guess the answer and then calculate.
Yes.
You can change this question in the column method. You are going to solve these questions with the column method of multiplication.
Ma'am,
I am
we can solve this in the notebook.
yes, my dear. Let me complete because I will come on my next answer is this only that you need to solve it in the notebook because in this you don't have space. In textbook you don't have space to solve with the column method. So all the sums from A to H solve with the column method in your maths notebook and attach your work, take the picture and attach your work where I will post in the classroom. Today I am going to post it into the classroom that page 67 A to H sums will be solved by column method. Got it everyone?
Yes,
Will be
ma'am.
solved by column method and attached.
Ma'am, first
Got
we
it?
have to write the page number, no?
Yes. Date, page number, topic, all these things are compulsory to write.
Ma'am, means have to send this also, na? In some you are going.
I am saying no, where in the classroom I am going to post this, there you need to attach your work.
Ma'am, you have to write the answer in the textbook and write or in the notebook.
Ma'am,
We have to write it.
can you move
Completely, completely solve it in the notebook and final answer write it in the textbook.
Okay.
Because in the textbook you
Ma'am,
will not able to solve.
ma'am,
Yes, Srihan.
I can do in any rough book also, na? The column methods.
No, no, not in the rough notebook. In the maths notebook only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
जब आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो तो why in the rough notebook, बच्चा? There are 8 to 9 sums. 8 sums are there, and all
I
sums
have
you
a
will do in the
doubt.
rough notebook. Yes, Nishwa.
Ma'am, I have
ma'am,
a doubt.
we have to click the photo of textbook or the notebook.
Textbook में तो आप कुछ ही नहीं करोगे. The final answer लिखोगे. I want to see the method. So of course,
Yes,
notebook page.
notebook page only.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
ma'am,
students.
ma'am, I have
Bye,
a doubt.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
those who have a doubt, they say. Others
Thank you,
can.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.